वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू पीपल आर डूइंग वेल एंड अब तक के सारे चैप्टर्स आपने प्रिपेयर कर लिए हैं, राइट? सो अगेन with your chapter number 11 we are starting with your new topic, that is water movement up a plant, जिसको आप बोलो ascent of sap. What did it say? Ascent of sap. Before this we people have understood how do plant absorb water. For this we have understood two pathways, apoplast pathway and symplast pathway, and in last video we people have seen mechanism of water absorption, which can be of two type: active water absorption and passive water absorption. If you are talking about active water absorption, then it is manifestation of root pressure, and if you are talking about your passive water absorption, then this is what I mean by a transpiration pull, which creates negative pressure. Root pressure creates your positive pressure. Am I clear? Okay. Now in this video we are going to focus on water movement up a plant. पानी कैसे ऊपर चढ़ता है from root to tip of plant, कैसे water move होता है, that we are going to understand. This is what I mean by ascent of sap. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Ascent of sap. First of all, you should be very clear with the meaning of sap. What do you understand by sap? Sap is nothing but a water with dissolved substances. Am I clear? So what is sap? It's nothing but water along with your dissolved substances, and dissolved substances in the sense here I am talking about your minerals. So I can say that sap is actually a solution, है ना? बोल सकती हूँ sap क्या है? Solution है which contains your water and your minerals. Now exactly what do you mean by the term ascent of sap? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Ascent of sap का मतलब होता है the upward movement of water. The upward, है ना? पानी ऊपर चढ़ता है. The upward movement of water. कहां से कहां? From, yes, roots to where? From roots to, yes, tips of plants. Am I clear? This is what I mean by ascent of sap. Am I clear? So क्या होता है ascent of sap? It's an upward movement of water from root tips to shoot tips. Am I clear? Okay. Now dear student, if I am talking about this movement of water, then water movement occurs in, ये जो पानी की movement है, right? It occurs through where? Xylem. To be more specific, जो trachary elements होते हैं, to be more specific, trachary elements of xylem. Am I clear? There is one experiment for proving the same. So here we are going to understand one experiment, and this experiment is called as your Stein experiment. What it is said? It is said as your Stein experiment. Am I clear? Okay. Now in this experiment what we are going to take? We are going to take a leafy shoot. हमको क्या चाहिए? We want a leafy shoot. Other requirements are there, जैसे कि knife, stand for support, right? Beaker, of course, 2% eosin solution. Most important thing is this: we have to use 2% eosin solution. The color of your eosin solution is red. इसका कलर कैसा होता है my dear student? Is red. Now what you are going to do? You have to take a leafy shoot. You have to take a leafy shoot. You have to cut this shoot under water. पानी के अंदर ही रख के उसको कट करना है. And immediately you have to put this leafy shoot in a beaker containing eosin solution. आई बात समझ में मैंने क्या बोला? आपको लीफी शूट लेना है एक, राइट? यू हैव टू कट अंडर वाटर. नाउ यू हैव टू प्लेस the leafy shoot in a beaker containing your eosin solution. Okay, so here I am drawing your beaker. चलो ये आपका beaker है. Okay, red color I am not using because that will be for your eosin solution. ये आपका beaker, right? If I am talking about this beaker, then ये beaker के पास कौन सा solution है? This is having your eosin solution. Which color it is having? It is having red color. It is having red color. Am I clear? So this beaker is filled with your eosin solution and इसके अंदर मैंने क्या रखा है? Very good. मैंने रखा है leafy shoot. Okay. इसको मैंने कट किया है and then I have placed the same. I have placed the same in a beaker containing eosin solution. चलो, I hope you people are getting this very well. Okay, मान लीजिए ये आपका लीफ है and ये क्या हो गई आपकी मिड रिब. ऐसा ही कुछ होता है ना? Yes, okay. चलो over here if I want to draw, right? ये हो गया आपका leafy shoot, correct? Over here once again if I want to draw the same, this is your leafy shoot. Am I clear? And over here let me draw. Okay, ये भी आपका क्या है बेटा? Leafy shoot. Okay, these are the leaves. चलो, आई बात समझ. And I am going to hold this leafy shoot. I am going to hold this leafy shoot erect by means of a stand. So ये क्या है? ये मैंने stand draw कर दिया. This is your stand, as you can see. Am I clear? By means of this stand, I have hold this leafy shoot. Okay, you people have to draw the straight line. Okay, in your notebooks. चलो, ठीक है. Now what will happen after some time? If you are going to observe this leafy shoot, जो veins होती है, it turns red in color. जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं, यहाँ पे मैंने फ्लावर्स नहीं ड्रॉ करे, लेकिन अगर होते हैं तो दे विल टर्न रेड इन कलर विच कलर? रेड कलर, राइट? ओवर हियर इवन योर स्टेम अपीयर्स रेडिश इन कलर. एंड इफ यू विल टेक अ ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन, अगर आप ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन लो इसका, तो यू विल क्लियरली सी अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप दैट walls of tracheids and vessels are red in color. Am I clear? And hence proof that water movement occurs through tracheary element of xylem. Simple as that. तो ये हो गया आपका stain experiment. I hope आपको ये समझ में आया, right? Now mainly we are going to focus on over here. This is another topic, your theory of ascent of sap. Theory which explains movement of water. Am I clear now, dear student? If I am talking about your water, then water can be lifted from root tip to plants of having height above 100 meters against gravity. ये तो पता है, पानी को मूव करना है, that too against gravity. And the rate of translocation, if I want to write over here, rate of translocation, what do you understand by the term translocation? Yes, translocation is nothing but you can say bulk flow. You can say bulk flow, yes or no? So the rate of translocation is what I have written, 25 to 75 centimeter per minute. That is 15 to 45 meter per hour. Am I clear? So at this rate, substance moves up. Okay. So there are various theory. There are various theories given by different scientists for explaining this ascent of sap, out of which number one is your root pressure theory, and second one is your cohesion tension theory. These two theories are main that explains mechanism of ascent of sap. Okay, so for this video, this is right. In next video, we will be seeing these two theories, your root pressure theory and your cohesion tension theory. That is what I mean by transpiration pull theory. Okay, so I hope you understood this video really very well. Okay, इसमें हमने क्या पढ़ा है? Definition of sap, what is ascent of sap, one experiment that says water moves through trachéary element of xylem, and we have understood out of many theories two which explains this movement, and that are our root pressure theory and cohesion tension theory. Okay, so I hope you understood this very well. Thank you very much.